The first step will be to remove the tunnel brace. Next, remove the rear outer splash shields from both sides. Remove the splash shield from the spare tire well. With these splash shields out of the way, we'll be able to access all the bolts holding the rear chassis braces. Remove the rear central exhaust hanger, leaving the hangers at the tips attached. Then loosen up the slip joints in the middle and split the exhaust in the middle. Loosen up the edge of the splash shield. That will allow us to pull the central heat shield out. With access to the carrier now, we'll cut the OEM carrier frame away. Use a razor blade to separate the rest of the frame from the bearing. Trim down the center rubber rib, leaving the base layer of rubber intact. Install the bushings into the carrier halves, then place the top half of the carrier over top of the drive shaft. Then bring the bottom half of the carrier up to meet it, and attach the two together with the Allen wrench. Make sure to switch from left to right as you're tightening up the bolts so the bolts don't bind in the holes. Place the isolation damper bushings over the feet of the carrier. Then take your bolt and fender washer, go up through the bushing, and put the small washer on top.